Hello, I'm Dawn Huey, a cardiac surgeon from UT Health San Antonio and a member of the STS. Contacting or meeting with your elected officials is a powerful way to have a direct impact on legislative issues that affect cardiothoracic surgeons.
And I'm Karen Kim, a cardiac surgeon from the University of Michigan and a member of the STS. In 2020, STS member engagement was vital in successfully fighting devastating cuts to Medicare reimbursement. Here in this video, we will show you just how easy it is to contact your legislators through the STS Legislative Action Center. To start, open a browser and head to sts.org.
On the STS homepage, hover over Advocacy and click on Legislative Action Center. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter for direct links to the Legislative Action Center.
Once you are at the Legislative Action Center homepage, enter the email you used for STS and your zip code to enter the site.
Here, you will see a list of potential messages to send to Congress.
Click on the message of your choice. The most recent option will be listed first.
Once the message loads, it'll auto-populate with your information, including your legislative representatives. You have the option to click on the gray edit button and add your own story before sending. We encourage you to add your own story. Personal stories can help resonate with legislators and their staff.
If you like the message as is, you can click the blue Send All button and your message will be on its way.
It's that easy. If you have questions or would like to meet with your elected representatives, email the STS Government Relations office at advocacy@sts.org.
For more videos on advocacy, please see our 8 and 8 series at this website.